birthday, feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a Cristóbal. Christopher.
Christopher.
Cristo. Feliz cumpleaños a ti.
Boom.
Chris, we want to wish you the happiest centuries. You have a heart of molten gold, and we wish we were with you. Jesus.
That was the only emergency vehicle in all of Woodstock. Only one emergency vehicle.
A goat was probably run over or something.
But we do want to wish you a happy birthday, Chris. We hope you're having a great time, and we do hope to see you soon.
Yeah, we better see your ass in Mexico soon. And we found something for you.
Oh yeah.
Right behind us, we found the great-granddaddy of your car.
The great-great-granddaddy.
Great-great-granddaddy. We love you. We miss you.
Peace.
Peace.